Alright, what we got here is a small alarm clock. Let's see, let's go ahead and test it. The other way. Alright. So right now it's 11:21. Let's see. I gotta hold time. See if I can do this with one hand. Hold time. Okay, 11. Let's see, it's 21. Let's see if we can catch 22. Now we hold alarm. It's faster if I click it. There you go. You turn it off with this, or you can snooze. See? I don't know how long the snooze for. Usually the snooze is about 5 minutes. So, but you can turn off the alarm here. Let's see. There you go. Alarm on and off. Also, it comes with this thing. So this thing is to put in some sort of surface. And I don't know where the other one is. It's not like it's necessary. So you can put this in some sort of surface, okay, and then use this to pin it in place. And I don't imagine that there's going to be a whole lot of that this is going to solve a whole lot of problems, you know. Now you may want to ask yourself, well, in the 21st century, year 2017, what do I need a small alarm clock for? Well, think of how many times your cell phone, your smartphone has betrayed you by running out of battery or not going off, or the alarm is not loud enough or something like that. So, also this one has a battery backup. So if you can't plug it in, you know, you can get yourself one of those square batteries. I haven't tested this, so I don't know how well it works, but I do have a 14-day money back guarantee on all my stuff. So it's not like you're taking any risks. So, but yeah, just a basic alarm clock. There you go. Basic alarm clock that will not betray you, unlike your cell phone, which you know you can't trust 100%. So there you go.